Hey everybody, Steve Williams from Cornerstone Advisors, and I'm sitting here with our core systems guru, Brad Smith. How's it going, buddy?
All good. Appreciate you to be here.
So Brad, out there, bankers are looking at core systems and they're pretty frustrated. They're wondering when they get these products from the big three, Fiserv, FIS, Jack Henry, are they going to be able to stay current? And now there's a little bit of bustle out there with international players and new core systems being developed in the United States. Is there new help for bankers on technology?
There's hope, but there's also the reality. The reality is we still have a long way to go before we have a lot of test cases with these new international and the emerging guys. The international guys starting to have a little bit of success, but the runway is very long. These are big system integration jobs, 5 to 7 years, large dollars.
Wow.
On the new emerging Finxact, Nimbus, and even Correlation, it just takes a number of years to build up the functionality to be competitive for most banks. The commercial type functionality usually isn't there in the first couple of years of the life cycle. So it's encouraging, we're headed the right direction, but the reality is that we're still several years off from these.
Right, there's not a big shift in market share in the next 2 years.
No.
If I'm a frustrated CIO at a bank with my current core provider, what should I do in this interim period while these systems are baking, so to speak?
Yeah, so if you're on one of the big three oligopoly types, you can sort of double down and make the decision to be all in with their roadmap. If you want to go a little more conservative, you can shrink your focus on core and your dependence on the big cores, and maybe invest outside of core in digital, LOS, CRM,
right.
And start to build out your capabilities on integration, middleware, analytics, and
right.
to sort of hedge against the lack of innovation from the big three.
Right. Whatever the case, an investment in knowing how to integrate with APIs and having good data people internally, it's kind of a no regrets bet, right?
Correct.
And I think that's what our banks need to focus on over the next few years as we monitor the core system market. All right, this is Steve Williams and Brad Smith from Cornerstone Advisors. 2020 is upon us. It's time to see the future of banking more clearly.